Shubor Nakaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Kokot Kakia Kajala James PK Sangma Hanekasngi ula Plie Pajba ya ke State of the Art Diagnostic Center Pasteur Institute Laumali Pelun. Habakren Hanekasngi Menteri Ketenat Kokot Kakia James PK Sangma ula ong maka sorkar jela haus nem arhajar kat kendai kalaya soy ya ke soskular bat ke Suraksha and Salvia Global LLP na kabenta banbu ya kini ke State of the Art Diagnostic Center hapo ke private partnership kumsi benta ban rake ya ke jingdap san post nam jong ke jingyo jela la Plie Pajba ya kini ke Jaka Sumar ke jingdon jong kini ke Jaka Sumar jong kini ke juk bementa kalong ke bedon kam bat ki Pajba ke jela kinyo shibun ke jing mentoy ula ongru ba ki Pajba na ke jela Meghalaya kim don kam shu ban lek chanong ba Guwahati ban pha le yakites ba pher namar ngiladon ya barok kikor kibor kibadon kam tang ha ka wei ka jaga kata ha ka ne ka State of the Art Diagnostic Center kabadon halau mali na ka leng uba Christopher Rani ulaong ba ka Suraksha Diagnostic kalala ban sedang ya ka ne ka center ban ai jing mentoi ki Pajba ka jela ulaya turu bakani ka project kadai ha ka private partnership bat kadai ka banang kong tam ha ka than chatei lamingi susu la benrabru da ka baong bakani ka center ka doni ki kor ki bor ki badai jong kani ka juk bamanta ki banla ban test na ka banta ka viral infection maternal health molecular screening neonatal screening bat ru ban test habai dai bat ka jing pendaj thamai ya kit khotmet ya kini kitiar lawan ra na kari Sweden bat Japan. Hagani kesngi layodon langru da principal secretary kasorkar jela usempat Kumar commissioner and secretary kakong M Nampui DHSMI Dr. Amanwar bat kiwei.
I just pulled, right?
Yes, sir.
First of all, I'd like to take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you a very, very happy 50th Meghalaya Statehood Day. It's indeed a great moment and a proud moment for each and every one of us as Meghalayans to witness this really red letter day, and I am very, very proud that today we are also getting this opportunity to inaugurate the state-of-the-art diagnostic center coinciding with 50 years of our statehood. I'd like to, first and foremost, place on record my gratitude to Mr. A.L. Heck, the previous Health and Family Welfare Minister, who envisioned the state-of-the-art diagnostic center and initiated the steps. For very simple tests, go to a place like Guwahati or elsewhere. Today, they can find these kind of diagnostic services available at one place. And I think that's very, very important in terms of the direction that healthcare is taking in the state of Meghalaya. And this state-of-the-art diagnostic center is also all about the accuracy, because gone are those days where diagnostics, for I think want of a very sterile environment, for want of samples being sometimes being damaged or being polluted. I think that gone are those days now, and today Barani, when he mentioned about bringing in artificial intelligence into diagnostics, this is the path forward for us, and this is where we want as a state to move forward, integrate technology into modern medicine in the state of Meghalaya to bring about better, faster and more accurate diagnostic results. Of that initial few steps, which has resulted in us being able to inaugurate the state-of-the-art diagnostic center today. And really we must thank him, although he's not here with us today. But I would like to take this opportunity to convey my deepest gratitude to him for this very important step that he took. And I think I would also like to place on record my thanks to all the officers, Dr. War and his team, to the officers of the health department who have worked tirelessly to bring this about. I'm also thankful to Suraksha Global, who have partnered with the government, and they are a name unto themselves, and they have a very, very rich experience in the field of diagnostics. And indeed we are very grateful, and we are very, I think, thankful that we have this partnership with them, which I see in the future is going to bear a lot of fruit. Diagnostics is the bedrock of any kind of prognosis which is arrived at, or for that matter treatment which is carried out. But I think that more than the bedrock or the foundation or the basis, I think today when it comes to modern medicine, this is an essential step before which you can proceed further in terms of medical treatment. And that's why it's not just a diagnostic center that we're talking about in the state of Meghalaya, but today, on this very, very auspicious day, we are dedicating this state-of-the-art diagnostic center to the people of Meghalaya. And I'm very, very proud and honored to be part of this program, where we are inaugurating it and passing it on to the people. Barani mentioned about how people want standards of the CAP, which is the global benchmark for excellence, and also the NABL, which today I would like to mention that it conforms to all the pertinent ISO norms as well. And at present, only the pathology section is being commissioned, but when the radiology and other modalities will be functional, this will become the largest and the most advanced diagnostic center in the entire Northeast, spanning more than 30,000 square feet of operating area. Will be performed with fullest capacity. The presence of high-end diagnostics, technically known as esoteric diagnostics, will now be possible in this high-tech center. This includes sharply targeted diagnosis for oncology, neurology, gastroenterology, as well as other serious infections. Additionally, maternal health, molecular screening, neonatal screening, and transplants can be facilitated by this ultra-modern setup. On cancer, include molecular pathology, histopathology, flow cytometry, cytogenetics, and LCMS in order to obtain the most advanced results. To reiterate, the initiative of the government of Meghalaya to associate with Suraksha Diagnostics in creating this high quality facility will help our citizens in, I'm very, very sure, very significant and helpful ways.
To know that every person from Meghalaya, when they have a problem, they say, let's go to Guwahati and get ourselves tested, because sometimes we don't feel the reliability of things here. With all due respect to other industries, I'm very sorry about that. But we are here with the government support that we have promised the people of Meghalaya that not a single drop of blood should leave the state for the test, where we will provide all the available pathological tests available as per the technology that is there, with the kind of this most sophisticated and most advanced equipment that is being placed in this lab. And also at the same time, this lab is not only a lab that will work only for pathology. This lab will deliver you oncology, neurology, gastrology, viral infections, maternal health, molecular screening, neonatal screening, and also the tests that are related to transplants that can facilitate ultra modern setup. The facility here does not have only pathology. As you can see, we have 3 different buildings that are here. We have also non-pathological services like CT, MRI, ultrasonography, DEXA, cardio, neuro, with the latest machines that are actually imported outside the country from places like Sweden, Japan. So these are the equipments that have actually been brought here. Now, with this being said, how this all came about and how you should know that the Directorate of Health Services, the DHS, and the entire team of a lot of doctors have actually met and discussed about the equipments that